Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Two handle options are available, long and short. Choose according to your preference. Screw in the two threaded studs. Attach both the hoses in the matching inlet, hot and cold. Place both hoses in the tap hole one at a time. Place rubber and metal washer from underneath and screw on both lock nuts and tighten them using a tube spanner. Attach flexi hoses to water supply. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 93194422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.